There is no doubt that students being in our buildings in person in front of teachers is absolutely the best learning environment.
School administrators are applauding new guidance issued today by the Centers for Disease Control that will impact how millions of kids experience school this fall.
The CDC is loosening a number of COVID restrictions and urging schools to fully reopen.
But as Fox 32's Dane Placco reports, some health officials are worried it may be too much too soon.
The CDC acknowledges that virtual learning has been problematic for some students, and today's new guidance is recommending schools to fully reopen in the fall, even if they're unable to take all of the steps recommended to stop the spread of COVID.
I am so glad to see the new guidelines. I think it's the no-brainer of no-brainers that we follow, that we tell our parents and families that we can follow the same guidance in school that they're following out of school.
The CDC is urging districts to use local COVID data to guide their decisions about preventative measures like mask wearing and physical distancing. The agency says only unvaccinated students should be required to wear masks. But because children 11 and under are currently unable to get the vaccine, some superintendents are worried that could create problems in schools that have a wide range of ages.
I think the two separate sets of rules are the hard part. Having some kids that would be wearing and some kids that wouldn't be wearing, I think makes it difficult.
And some health officials say the CDC is moving too fast, since large areas of the country still have low vaccine rates where COVID numbers are climbing.
We are still seeing that the Delta variant is spreading, and it's much more contagious than the previous variants we were seeing of COVID-19. So that's another concern.
Now, the Illinois State Board of Education is expected to issue new guidelines for COVID regulations in the state based on these new CDC recommendations, and that should be coming soon. In Park Ridge, Dane Placco, Fox 32 News.